Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Sole Bright is probably one of the most effective and innovative solutions available for tackling stubborn toenail fungus, offering a powerful yet gentle approach to restoring the health and appearance of your nails. This advanced formula is designed to penetrate deep into the nail bed, targeting the root cause of fungal infections and providing visible results over time. If you've been struggling with discolored, brittle, or thickened nails, Sole Bright could be the breakthrough you've been searching for, promising a path towards clearer, healthier-looking nails without the harsh side effects often associated with other treatments. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This versatile cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking pristine. Tired of scuffs and dirt on your white sneakers? Our formula effectively removes stains, restoring their original brightness. The kit includes a powerful cleaning solution and a brush, providing everything you need for a thorough clean. Achieve professional results with minimal effort. Simply apply, scrub, and wipe away the dirt for a fresh look. Our gentle formula cleans effectively without damaging your shoe's materials. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your collection. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for various shoe materials. It's perfect for those who need a single product to tackle different cleaning challenges. If you have a mix of shoe types and want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is effective in removing stains. The design is user-friendly and easy to operate. It has multiple functions that cater to different needs. Number 4. KIWI Shoe Whitener. Bring your favorite shoes back to life. Our advanced formula is designed to make them look brand new again. Featuring a powerful whitening agent, this solution works wonders on various materials. It's perfect for restoring older shoes. Enjoy a flawless finish every time. The easy-to-use applicator ensures even coverage without any chalky residue. Ideal for white leather shoes, but also effective on vinyl, canvas, and nylon. Get versatile cleaning power in one bottle. Don't let scuffs and wear diminish your style. Renew your footwear with confidence and step out looking sharp. What we like? This whitener is designed to make older sports shoes look brand new. Its advanced formula ensures an even application without any chalky residue. If you're specifically looking to revive white leather shoes and achieve a flawless finish, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very effective in removing stains. It has a unique design that makes it easy to use. The product's features are well thought out and practical. Number 3. Angelus Sole Bright 3.9 ounces. Tired of yellowed soles ruining your favorite shoes? This cleaner effectively removes oxidation from rubber soles, bringing back their original bright look. It's perfect for bringing your sneakers back to life. This versatile formula isn't just for shoe soles. It's designed to restore almost any yellowed or oxidized rubber material. Get a fresh look on more than just your footwear. Achieve professional-grade restoration with a simple brush-on application. You don't need expensive services to get your shoes looking like new again. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. Join collectors, sneakerheads, and restorers who trust this solution. Keep your kicks looking fresh and clean with a product designed for enthusiasts. It's the go-to choice for maintaining your collection. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, this formula ensures effective sole restoration. It's designed for long-lasting results without damaging your shoes. Trust in a quality product for your footwear. What we like? This product is specifically formulated to combat oxidation and restore the original icy look of rubber soles. It's incredibly easy to apply, delivering professional results at home. If you're a sneaker enthusiast dealing with yellowed midsoles and want to bring your kicks back to life, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This is a great product that works very well. I love the design of this product. It is very sleek and modern. The functionality of this product is amazing. It has so many features that I didn't even know I needed. Number 2. Angelus Easy Cleaner Shoe Cleaner. Introducing Angelus Easy Cleaner, the premium solution for all your footwear needs. It's designed to tackle dirt and stains effectively, keeping your shoes looking their best. Worried about damaging your favorite shoes? This cleaner is safe for a variety of materials, including sneakers, leather, suede, and canvas. You can trust it to clean gently yet powerfully. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and unsightly stains. Our advanced formula works to lift away grime, restoring the original look of your shoes with minimal effort. Experience the quality of a product proudly made in the USA. We use only the finest ingredients to ensure a superior cleaning experience for your valuable footwear. This convenient 8.6 fluid ounce bottle provides ample cleaning power for multiple uses. Keep your shoes looking pristine with this long-lasting solution. What we like? This cleaner is a versatile option, safe to use on a wide range of shoe materials including leather, suede, and canvas. It effectively tackles dirt and stains, ensuring your footwear looks its best. If you need a reliable, high-quality cleaner for all your sneakers, regardless of material, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Sol Bright is a powerful and effective stain remover for shoes. It works on a variety of materials, including leather, canvas, and suede. The formula is gentle and won't damage your shoes. Number 1. Tarrago Super White Shoe Whitener 75 ml. Introducing Tarrago Super White Shoe Whitener, the ultimate solution for keeping your sneakers looking pristine. This powerful formula instantly cleans and renews your footwear. Say goodbye to scuffs and marks. Our instant cleaner is specifically designed for sneakers, restoring their original brightness with ease. Don't let wear and tear dull your favorite leather shoes. This whitener effectively renews the material, bringing back its vibrant look. The convenient applicator tip ensures a smooth and precise application every time. Achieve professional results without any mess. Each bottle contains 75 ml of our potent whitening solution. Get ready to give your shoes a brilliant, like new appearance. Keep your footwear looking its best with Tarrago Super White. It's the perfect addition to your shoe care routine. What we like? This whitener provides an instant refresh for your sneakers, especially those with leather components. The convenient applicator tip allows for precise and easy touch-ups. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to renew the white appearance of your leather shoes, this product is ideal. What people say. The product is effective in removing stains. The design is user-friendly and easy to operate. It has multiple functions that cater to different needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.